In a bustling city, whispers of a peculiar phenomenon spread. People claimed to hear melodies in the wind as if the air itself sang. Scientists were baffled, unable to explain the auditory illusion. One night, a curious musician followed the sound to an abandoned alley. There, he discovered an ancient, rusted gramophone, playing tunes without a record. As he approached, the music stopped and a voice whispered, "Listen closely, for the world has secrets." The musician realized the melodies were echoes of forgotten stories waiting to be heard. The gramophone vanished, leaving only silence and wonder.